Singjamai MLA Yumnam Khemchan has urged political parties not to exploit the current social unrest in the state as a tool for electoral gain. He made the remark during a felicitation program held today at his residence at Yumnam Laikai, where 6 individuals who achieved notable success in various competitions were honoured. During the event, MLA Khemchan presented monetary rewards to the achievers who brought laurels to the state. Those felicitated included Hansen Irom, winner of Mr. Planet World 2025, Ahaibam Ragnar, gold medalist in hammer throw and silver medalist in javelin throw at the 23rd Asia Masters Athletic Championship 2025, Samurai Latpam Thambal, gold medal winner in 100-meter race and high jump, Waikom Thoiba, bronze medalist in pole vault, Samurai Latpam Manishana, silver medalist in 300-meter hurdles, bronze in 4 into 100-meter relay and silver in 200-meter race, Thonga Memcha, gold medalist in 4 into 400-meter relay team and 4 into 100-meter relay individual. While addressing the gathering, MLA Khemchan also reacted to allegations made by the Congress party accusing the BJP of stealing votes during elections, calling the allegations quote-unquote unjust and claiming such statements degrade political ethics and dignity. He further stressed that all political parties must work collectively, rising above differences to restore peace and harmony in Manipur.
Manipur communal right Topasiam Tokre, Cookie Nagagi Asang Toki, Paite Cookie Toki, Maitega, Maite Pangan Toki. Ado, civil society, individuals, Tongan political party, Mayam Sangan, Luna, resort Torkanda, Santi, Pornabana, Fonabinagi, Sini of the Ningis. Aduna, Iran Sigi, Namara Murakanda, Masra Sans, Sorga, vote Komna, but the Patti city, politics town of the Patti, which Lemorio Parsi, community and Kanabagi. Koi kangbu bisa payare security ngai social pur kangbu su flight to ba hore changna ba hore adu trust visit thajana daba ma leibani na kamai to na security yaudana security na guard to kangbu bi kamai lando no haibasina mara more kanda koi loina mak sap no aiti adu sam sam na lakong amrisi thajana drini kangluk ani gi thajana dabasi dola doli naidana mioi bana mioi bu nuksiba koi kaina bi yadi ai bi wakaldu koi senara kanda koi punna masi santi porna wa hona minasi